Okay, and sure, Quirla Kayla. So, Taisagov, Kantala Janavagov. So, car plus tune, plus plus dra plus goon, skoo plus tur, can plus ga plus roo. Right? So, cartoon, tour, pluer, dragoon, scooter, kangaroo. Right? On a iska. So, you're going to write them into here. Okay? And then over on D, we're going to make the list, right? So the list of words you can make from on lista nalitrica, right? So C-A-L-T-N-U for the L-A-R-S-G-U for the. So what can we make from that? I will category tour a yenov. So T, U for the or. I'm category, talk category. So tour, T-U for the or. On éasca and make lista then cara focal, alright? So you've sé focal an seo agus cara focal an seo. Agus taréis we're going to create things in Haberty, right? So we're going to finish the sentences. So K atá ag kaint agus le plus me. Cad é le plus me? Le plus me equals lum. So K atá ag kaint lum. Alright, so we're going to write these as in 1, 2, 3, August 4. Okay, so hain do 3 car. So iver hain, K atá ag kaint lum. Misha on dragoon in kaint left, isn't it? Fake ashling tá kangaroo ag kaint. I'm going to show. Fake Liam tá dragoon ag kaint le. So I'm going to So scrive na aberty sa copla, right? So write your sentences into the copy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one then.